Jet Lawrence. New fastest lap of the day for the number 18. Jet Lawrence, 157.084. Here goes Schlesinger.
I gotta say, he should have excluded Jet Lawrence this season as the visiting rifle. You mentioned earlier, it's on Jeff spot.
For Jet Lawrence in the second session, is the fastest lap of his group. So the Mail Up Rock in Yamaha